Wagwan my YouTube family, welcome back to Briscoe's Kitchen. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how I make chicken soup. First and foremost, big up Father God. Now we're going to jump into the intro and then we kick it off.
Briscoe's Kitchen and Spice. Yeah, the food is nice. Like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Yeah, Briscoe's Kitchen and Spice.
So these are my ingredients I'm using. I have a grey soup flavored mix. Here I have pumpkin, I have sweet potato, I have corn, I have a chocho, I have fresh thyme, I have carrot, 1 carrot, I have a hot pepper. Here I have some pimentos. These are the chicken I'm using. I'm going to wash it. Here I have all-purpose flour to make the dumplings. I have a piece of yellow yam and I have a coco. Now I'm gonna go wash the chicken. I'm gonna use fresh lime. I already cleaned the chicken, so just use some fresh lime to wash it. See my people, well washed. Okay, my people, over here I have my water boiling. Now I'm gonna add the chicken. Gonna add some pimento berries. I'm gonna add some garlic. Alright, my people, I'm going to cover the pot and go ahead and peel the carrot and pumpkin and chocho. Start off by peeling the carrot. So I normally cut my carrots like this. So I just split it like this. I split it like that, then I just cut them out. And peel the chocho. Cut out the middle. So this is the way I cut the chocho. You don't have to cut them the specific way, my people. Alright, so now we are peel off the pumpkin. And this, my people, look rich. That's a look dry. Pumpkin. Pumpkin look good, man. Alright. I bust him in a three. Normally I would have take a spoon to clean out the belly of the pumpkin. But I could just easily cut this out just like this. Okay, my people, here so I have 3 pieces of pumpkin. I'm just gonna use 2 pieces. This piece gonna go in the pot last. It's gonna go with the yam. So I'm gonna cut them on here. And these now if you cut in a specific way, just cut them in cubes. These one gonna boil out in the water. This is to give the soup that rich color there. Get me? Alright, my people. Now you have to rinse them off before you drop them in a pot. Like this. Alright, my people. Now I'm gonna add the chocho, carrot, and pumpkin. Because them here is what gonna give the soup the richness there, okay? They may go boil out in our soup. So we're gonna leave them here to continue to boil. Don't watch the amount of water in our pot, it go boil down. Okay, my people? Okay, my people, now I'm gonna make the dumplings, okay? And before you make dumplings, always make sure say you have some clean fingernails, okay? Don't make dumplings with dirty fingernails. Alright. Here I have 1 cup of flour, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/3 cup of refined cornmeal, like half teaspoon of salt. Now you're gonna mix them here together. Combine the cornmeal and the flour together evenly. Just like this. Here, may have some room temperature water. And you go add the water little by little till you form the dough. Go add some more water. So when you're making dumplings, always use room temperature water. Don't use warm water or cold water. So this is how the dough look, my people. Now I'm gonna leave it aside for like 15 minutes. Alright, now I'm start off by peeling the sweet potato. Just like this, my people. So this is the yellow yam. I'm not gonna use all of the yellow yam, okay? Because I don't want the pot too crowdy. So I just use this piece. Just go cut them small rings same way. Split in it. Now I make it just like this. Alright, this is how I want them in the soup. I don't want them too big, my people. Now I'm gonna peel the coco. Alright, my people, I'm just go cut this same way. Don't want them too big. So this is the remaining piece of pumpkin that left. I'm gonna put this in with the rest of stuff them now. Okay, my people, I rinse them here before I put them in a pot. Just rinse them off with some cold water. Okay, my people. Alright, look at that. See, them pumpkin here. Them ever get the soup, the richness of the soup, them a mash out. You put them in early so they cook out, you see? I don't like when the chicken in the soup chunky like this. I like when you kind of mash it like shreddy a little bit. So make sure I put them in early enough. Now I'm gonna add the rest of food. Just like that. Stir. So we go cover this, make it go to a boil. Now I'm gonna shape the dumplings them. See? Dough nice. So when you need your dough, always put it down a little bit, 15 to 20 minutes before you make your dumplings. If you have the time, but if you don't have the time, you could just go ahead and drop them in there. So now I make the dumplings them too big. So I shape them like this. Simple like this. Then you just round them up. This is how the dumpling and look my paper, see? So this is how the dumpling and look when you finish my paper. Okay. Look at that. Alright, my people, I'm gonna drop in the dumplings now. Alright, now we are give it a stir. Okay. Cover it, make it continue to cook. Normally when I cut the corn, I use up here so the knife. Okay. So see, easy to cut. This is how I like my corn in the soup. Okay, my people. So I rinse off the corn them. Now I'm gonna add them in the soup. Now I'm going to cover it, make it come to a fully boil. Then I add the seasoning them. Okay, my people, look at that. Alright, as you could see, the chicken start to mash, the chicken mash out. So you see the soup get cloudy. So the soup get cloudy because the chicken mash out. Chicken mash out, the pumpkin mash out. See? Shred out. Okay. This is how I like my chicken in my soup. Now I'm gonna add the soup flavored mix. And after you add the soup flavored mix, you could always taste the soup if it needs some more sodium, or you could add some all-purpose season or a little bit of salt if you think you need more sodium. Okay? Now I'm gonna add the pepper, I'm gonna add the thyme and scallions. Now I'm going to cover it and allow it to cook for 15 more minutes. Okay, my people. This is what you call a rich chicken soup, my people. See this? Right now I'm gonna share myself a bowl. My people, look at this. Rich and tasty. So please remember to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I have a lot more recipe to share with you. So let me know in the comment section the next soup recipe you want me to share with you. Peace out. See you in the next video.